Following a historic performance in the 2026 TTAADC elections, where Tipra Motha secured a landslide victory by winning 24 out of 28 seats, the party supporters hit the streets in a grand celebration for their dominance over the opposition. On Sunday, April 19, a massive victory rally was organized across the Sangkuma Bari VC areas to celebrate the success of Suraj Debbarma, the winning candidate for the Takarjala-Jampuijala constituency. The celebrations kick off from the Khorang school ground, waving through the Sambar Bazar market and several other key locations in the Jampuijala. Hundreds of enthusiastic supporters joined the march, transforming the streets into a vibrant display of party's triumph. Supporters were seen dancing and smeared in colors as they cheered for their newly elected representative. The rally saw a huge turnout from the local residents, reflecting the sweeping mandate Tipra Motha received in this election. Reported by Raju Jamatia from Jampuijala, Chini, Khorang.